Hey everyone, welcome back. We've been doing shorts for a while, but now we're back with full reviews. It's been a bit over 2 months since I got the Samsung Galaxy A55, 77 days to be exact. Many of you have been asking how it's been, so today we're diving into a full review of the Samsung Galaxy A55 after using it for exactly 77 days. Lucky 7 for me. Is this mid-range phone worth your money? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the design and build quality. The Samsung Galaxy A55 sports a sleek and premium look with its metal and glass design. It leans towards the larger and heavier phone category, but this might actually help with thermal management by providing more room for heat to dissipate. It's a significant upgrade from its predecessor, ditching the plasticky rounded middle frame of the A54 for a more classy, flattened, aluminum metallic feel. I really like the flattened middle frame, similar to the S24 series, which helps with grip. However, the back, covered in Corning Gorilla Glass, does pick up fingerprint smudges quite easily. But it's no big deal for me, since I usually use a protective case. The display on the A55 is a 6.6-inch 1080p Super AMOLED screen, which offers the usual Samsung formula of good colors and deep blacks at any angle. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you'll enjoy a smooth scrolling experience, making everything look buttery smooth. However, I find the colors tend to lean towards the natural side, even with vivid color mode enabled and eye comfort shield turned off. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the display. And with Widevine L1 certification, you'll definitely enjoy streaming HD videos. Whether you're watching YouTube, playing games, or simply browsing, you won't be disappointed. The A55 has a hybrid stereo speaker setup with one dedicated bottom-firing speaker and the amplified earpiece acting as the second channel. Quality-wise, the speakers leave a bit to be desired in the high-frequency sounds or treble at maximum or near maximum volume. But the bass is prominent, probably due to its large size, and the vocals sound clean. Dolby Atmos options can also be found in the sound settings, along with other features like the equalizer, boost dialogue, and adapt sound, which are basically presets depending on your preferences. Now let's listen to this audio sample. Under the hood, the Galaxy A55 is powered by the Exynos 1480 chip, which handles everyday tasks with ease. From social media to casual gaming, it performs well without any noticeable lag. One of the most noticeable attributes is that this phone doesn't heat up, which is quite surprising for an Exynos-powered device. Whether it's due to improved thermal management, better chip efficiency, the large size of the phone, or a combination of all these factors, I'm not entirely sure. However, it's not a powerhouse, so don't expect top-tier performance for heavy gaming. Now let's talk about the cameras. The A55 features a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 5-megapixel macro lens. The dynamic range and contrast are not perfect but still good. The A55 tends to have slightly more relaxed processing, with less saturated color rendition and less sharpening. It also captures very competent low-light photos, with good details and shadows and well-developed highlights. Video quality is also great on this phone. Both the rear and front cameras can shoot 4K videos up to 30 frames per second, with the rear camera performing quite well in stabilization using its gyro EIS. You may also want to check out my video on the camera comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A55 and the Oppo Reno 12 from the link above or in the description below. Battery life on the Galaxy A55 is solid, thanks to its 5,000 milliamp hour battery. With moderate use, it easily lasts a full day, or even two. However, the charging speed is mediocre, limited to 25 watts, so you'll need to be patient when topping up. As usual with all Samsung phones, it didn't come with a charger in the box, but fortunately, the local store where I bought it included a free charger. The A55 runs on Samsung's One UI, which is user-friendly and packed with features. You'll get up to 4 years of major OS updates and 5 years of security patches. That's a big commitment from Samsung, and it's more than most competitors offer for their mid-range phones. Overall, using Samsung's One UI is a smooth and enjoyable experience. So, after 77 days, is the Samsung Galaxy A55 worth it? If you're looking for a stylish mid-range phone with a good display, premium build, and a solid all-around daily driver, the Samsung Galaxy A55 might be just right for you. However, with its price range and the constant release of new smartphones, competition is pretty tight. So if you want the best camera quality, fast charging, and better gaming performance, you might want to explore other options. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.